Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple gathered skirt, or some very silly pants. No pattern required. The only two measurements you're going to need is your waist measurement plus an inch, and the desired length of your garment. Regardless of if you want to make a skirt or pants, they both only require the same 4 pieces. 2 squares of fabric for the front and back of your garment. The 2 pieces in total should be at least double your waist measurement so the fabric can be gathered into the waistband. The width of the waistband is 2 inches and the length is your measurement plus 1 inch for a button to be sewn on. The placket will be 2 inches wide and be double the length of however long you make the placket opening. In my case, I made the placket opening 8 inches, so my actual placket will be 16 inches long. This will be folded in half later. If you're sewing pants, you should draw out a simple shape like this and cut that area to create leg holes, or pant legs, or legs. With the body pieces right sides together, sew the side seams. Next, find the center back and cut your placket opening. Again, I cut mine to be 8 inches. Line up the placket to the opening you just created with right sides together and sew. Fold the placket onto itself and sew to encase the raw edges. This part is hard to describe, but fold the placket in half and sew the bottom where it meets to keep it in place. The plackets should overlap each other in order to create a seamless look on the back. Next, gather the top part of the garment to fit onto the waistband. With right sides together, lay your waistband piece on top of the skirt piece and sew. Remember to make sure not to sew on top of the 1 inch overhang for the button. And just like the placket, you'll fold the waistband over onto itself to encase the raw edges. Next, sew on your button, or in my case, snaps. And there you have a simple skirt. You could stop here, but I decided to turn it into silly pants. I marked where the crotch should be and drew out the shape for the legs. I also hand sewed some eyelets to go at the hem of the pants to make a channel for a ribbon to go through. This has honestly become one of my favorite pieces in my wardrobe. I wear it all the time. It's so comfortable. So let me know if you make one too.